I am Sowmya M N from Chamarajanagar district. I graduated from ATME College of Engineering, Mysore in the year 2021 from EEE branch. After that, I wasted 1.5 years for competitive exams, but I did not get any jobs. After that, my friends who have joined the IIES Institute and they already got placed, they suggest me to join the IIES Institute. IIES Institute is a good institute in Bangalore, which I known for embedded system course. Here I have learnt modules like C, C++, data structure, Python, embedded C, ARM7, and we got hands-on experience on 8051, STM32, LPC1768 microcontroller, and placement team have provided me with multiple opportunities which helped me a lot to clear interview in Avin system. I would thank everyone in the institute and faculty members for supporting me to start my career in a core company. Thank you.